Hi guys, welcome to the channel. I am Prakash from AceFoxLeo channel. Today I am going to talk about Apple's latest event on 20th April, which they announcing such amazing upgrade with their products such as Apple TV, AirTags, iPad Pro, iMac, and new color for iPhone. In this video, I'm going to share with you guys what Apple has told to us during this event and what they claim to be. So stay tuned until the end of the video. If you are new to my channel, please hit the like button and subscribe for more content, and don't forget to press the bell icon down below. So now say hello to the new iMac transformed by the M1 chip, which now comes up with 7 vibrant colors such as blue, green, pink, silver, yellow, orange and purple. I do personally love the purple. It looks so cool. Something new from Apple that attracts me. This is just my opinion. It's now only 11.5mm. Now that's the tin. Now you can't plug headphone jack from back. It also come up with solution that plug from side. It makes sense though. Thank God they didn't take off the audio jack option, thanks to Apple. And it also weighs less than 5 kilos. It's amazingly lightweight device for the current market out there. Now it comes up with 4 Thunderbolt Type-C and a power connector with easily attached magnetics. It's so cool. The display 24-inch with 4.5K Retina display, P3 white color gamut, and 500 nits of brightness, and True Tone technology auto adjust the color temperature. Apple finally comes up with 1080p FaceTime HD camera using the best camera system ever in a Mac. The mics are studio quality, 6-speaker sound system, and now support spatial audio when playing video with Dolby Atmos. Keyboard, mouse or trackpad now can be purchased with the same color as the new iMac. This is great. Now this iMac comes up with a price that costs around $12.99 for base model, which comes up with 256GB of storage, $16.99 for high-end models for 512GB of storage. So next product is iPad Pro, and now this is the amazing part. This iPad Pro now supercharged by the Apple latest chip, that is M1 chip, with mind-blowing performance. XDR liquid retina display bring it to the next level extreme. This iPad also faster performance and graphics than the previous model. 12.9-inch liquid retina XDR display comes up with 1000 nits of full screen brightness and 1600 nits of peak brightness. It also comes with True Tone technology and 1,000,000:1 contrast ratio. This iPad also now support promotion at 120Hz refresh rate and P3 white color gamut. This iPad uses 10,000 mini LEDs over 2500 local dimming zones. 11-inch liquid retina display comes up with 600 nits peak brightness with True Tone technology and support promotion 120Hz refresh rate with P3 white color gamut. To the camera section, now iPad uses 12 megapixel of ultra wide camera with true depth that easy to unlock iPad with Face ID. Apple also introduced Center Stage that uses ultra wide camera and machine learning to change the way you participate in video calls. This iPad comes with 12 megapixel of wide camera and 10 megapixel of ultra wide camera, alongside with LiDAR scanner to boost AR experience. This iPad Pro now costs at $799 for 11-inch display liquid retina and $1099 for 12-inch liquid retina XDR display. Now we are at AirTags. AirTags is super easy to track of your stuff. You can attach this AirTag with keys or backpack or any other stuff to keep track on it. AirTag also easy to track using Find My app from iPhone or iPad. The starting price for this AirTag is $29 for 1 pack and $99 for 4 pack. You can save around $17 when you buy 4 pack instead of 1 pack. It's amazing. The next part, they introduced new Siri remote for Apple TV with more precise control, Dolby Vision with Dolby Atmos, high frame rate HDR. Apple TV comes up with 4K on the box, which price cost for 32GB is $179 and for 64GB is $199. Remote with more gesture and touch enable clickpad for more controls. Dedicated Siri button, just like iPhone easily can access to the Siri. Last but not least, there is no update for the iPhone except the extra color they add to the iPhone 12 lineup series, which is purple. Okay guys, this is the video video guys. I hope you like it and stay tuned for updates about new iMac and iPad Pro, and don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified whenever I uploaded a new video. Until then, see you all in my next video. Stay safe. Peace out.